Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
Britt, I'm excited. We're right here at the St. Andrews Marina, which we love. It's a local hotspot, but we have a house that's right near here.
That's right, Heather. We've got a couple cute houses in St. Andrews, both available for sale or long-term rent, and they're really close to all the great sights, sounds, eating, art opportunities over here in St. Andrews.
I love it. We can't take it anymore. Let's go check it out.
All right. One of the things I love about this cute little home over in St. Andrews on Clay is there's a few separate entrances to the home. You can actually get through the carport, this nice living room that could be converted to a third bedroom if you choose, opens into an open concept living and dining area off of the front door. Just enough space in the kitchen, not to have to fool with too much. You've got natural light coming in from brand new storm impact windows. Lots of renovations in this home. It's actually been redone basically top to bottom. New flooring, new walls, new bathrooms, new paint. It's got it all. Let's go see what Heather has to say about the rest of this home.
Thanks, Britt. Welcome into this massive main ensuite. I love how much space there is. You've got dual closets, so you don't even have to share, and it leads right into the laundry and the main bathroom. I love that. With a 2-bedroom, it's so expansive in here. You've got so much space, and those renovations that she was talking about, top notch, beautiful. I love the large backyard here. You've got space for the kids, you got space for the family, you got space for all our fur babies, including with the storage unit and this brand new fence.
Absolutely. One of the things that's really great about this block home with a brand new roof, it's the perfect marriage of like old Florida 50s charm, but with the renovations making it
modern and updated.
Yes, with the new windows, it makes it more energy efficient, the new roof, tight building envelope. It's just a great deal. And once again, we're in St. Andrews, so close to all the fun things that we love in St. Andrews, no HOA, and plenty of room for everyone.
Yes, exactly. So for more information on this beautiful home, look in the description below for all the finer details.
That's right. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future real estate deals like this one.